Or some aluminum ramps. They're 15 inches wide, 5.5 by 3 inches, and I had the space here at 4 inches, so total of them 15 inches. I got, let's see if we have a curb, little curb. So they're rated, they're from bestaluminumramps.com, and they are rated 10,000 pounds. They have it here. Yeah, there. 10,000 pounds. I got these pieces of beams for the trailer, but ramps are by themselves. So I'm loading this, I think 6,500 pounds right now. They're 94 inches long. Works pretty good right now.